Two of the Supreme Court judges have resigned today. Why do you think they have resigned?
Well, I have got my own theory in it, because obviously the power has been taken off them. Now there's a federal constitutional court. Before the Supreme Court, every day, these courts, the judges were just there on the Supreme Court deciding, they're more interested in deciding on the political cases than clearing the backlog. There's so many backlog, ordinary citizen, Pakistani overseas citizen who have inheritance tax problems, who have dispute property problems, and the local criminal cases, people are in prison for a number of years, their case is not heard for 5 years, 6 years, because the court's full of applications by the opposition or the government as well. This is the problem. It's fully occupied as well, and it's abuse of process really, the way it's done. So these judges may lose their powers. They all want to be now. The new constitution court is set up now. So these lawyers, these judges, I should say, may lose their powers in that. Or they have to deal with ordinary appeals. Who wants to deal with the boring appeals now? Every day the appeals are there. People's rights and citizens' rights here. So like here, priority is given. We don't have that problem here at all. I did so many judicial reviews here, which is UKK administrative court in this country. We made so many applications. It's basically reviewing the decision of the government in the administrative court. Administrative court is a part of the High Court. It's a constitutional court, you can say. So the courts were all the time. There are special judges who deals with the kind of applications. In Pakistan, it wasn't like that at all. And some of the lawyers never even practiced constitutional law. They were criminal lawyers or the lawyers in other fields, and they're basically deciding on the constitutional issue. Now with this, I hope so, with the appointment of this new federal constitutional court, there'll be special judges now who will decide on it, who are fit to be on the subject.
Right. On this point, there are people out there who are actually not happy, especially within the judiciary system. They're not happy with the establishment of constitutional courts.
Well, it's not up to them anyway.
Yeah,
their job is an interpretation of the law, not how the parliament performs.
What they
I can't understand that. What's it got to do with them?
So because what they think that it is going to actually, like you said, it can harm that the control of the Supreme Court, the High Court. That they might imbalance this.
Okay. There is an issue there, but obviously my view on that will be simple. Okay, the constitutional court will deal with constitutional issues. Example: an opposition leader now facing criminal charges. What's that got to do with the constitutional? Tell me, what's got to do with the constitution? Nothing. Somebody dropping some civil dispute with someone. What's that got to do with anyone? Association. Or somebody defrauded it's in a criminal court. A criminal court is Supreme Court. It's an appeal court. Appeal court. That's it. Supreme Court cannot stand it. So basically, it's a good idea to run two courts parallelly. It's the same type of jurisdiction. Same. The superior courts. Both are superior courts.
But what is the advantage of these constitutional courts then? As a lawyer, as somebody who knows law, what is the
one? It will streamline the cases.
Right.
Okay. Secondly, you have more qualified judges who are specialists in constitutional court. A lawyer who's been practicing constitutional law for many years, he will be appointed to be on the constitutional court because he's an expert on it. A criminal lawyer should not be there. He should be in the Supreme Court, from the High Court to there. That's the way it works everywhere, and that's how we see it. Obviously, in this country, the judicial review judges are specialist public law judges. Although sometimes the Chancery division judges do sit in the administrative courts as well, but mostly you will see that the judges of the public law are there doing this. And same in Pakistan. I think the Pakistan was streamlined, and the whole of the world has welcomed it. I know the opposition don't like it. The whole of the world has welcomed it.
The 27th Amendment.
Yeah, everybody is welcomed it.
Okay, so Dr. You're a lawyer.
I've spoken to so many experts on the constitutional issue, and they would tell me international professors of universities, as like academic. I've spoken to a couple judges of the UK courts, and they're very happy with this. They're saying it's a very good idea to streamline it. Pakistan need to modernize their judicial system and their constitution as well. The constitution 73 is not hadith; they can't be amended. You know, it's just a piece of paper. It's a codified what do you call law. In this country, we don't even have a written constitution which is not codified, and then Pakistan is codified. So it can be changed as we think fit. So what's wrong in it? You know, it's nothing to do with Asmani or nothing to do with other people as well, or the other. I don't know what the issue is. Why Parliament decided? Parliament is supreme. Supreme Court is not supreme.
Parliament is supreme.
Parliament.
Yeah, because they are the one who passes legislation.
Yeah. So what's going to do with them? Why are they taking such a drastic actions? The only reason I can see is that they're losing their
control.